What's up, Poston? Today is Wednesday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands,
one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
This week kicks off the first football game of the season. Poston Butte takes on Goldwater right here. Let's fill up the Stampede and make Poston Butte's student section to be the best it's ever been. Homecoming is in just a couple of weeks. Don't forget to buy your tickets in the Spirit Store. Gamers United is back in D108. If you love all types of games, we meet every Monday after school. Swing on by. We come together to save lives. Poston Butte is doing its part in giving back to our community by hosting a blood drive tomorrow. Here's a little video on how you can make a difference.
Hi, I'm Miss Cornel, and this year I'm one of the new NHS co-sponsors, which means I get to help with the blood drive. Miss Fonzo is the one that's been running it for years, and she is still running it, and she's awesome, and I'm excited to be there to help her with that this year. The importance of the blood drive is straight up save lives. Every blood donation saves up to 3 lives, and that adds up really quickly. And my other favorite parts about blood drive is how much we get to come together as a community to do something great. That community is not just students and teachers on this campus, but we can bring in parents and other family members to donate their blood as well. And the last piece is just we get to educate all of you on the benefits of all of these donations and how blood saves lives every day. Well, last year we had a goal that we surpassed a lot, and we were able to save over 1,500 lives just from our campus donations alone. In one blood drive, we set our goal to be 100 donations, which is 300 lives. So if we hit that goal every blood drive, we usually hit almost 500 donations in 4 blood drives. So it's really, really fantastic, and it grows so fast when we all get involved. There are students on this campus that you don't realize need these blood donations just to make it through their everyday lives. And one of those students is actually Dimitri Dillard.
Hi, my name is Dimitri Dillard and I'm a blood recipient. I received blood now for about 2 years, and it's been something that has made my life possible to live. Before, I was barely able to stay up for more than 8 hours a day. I would go to school, I'd go home, and I would go to sleep. I'd wake up again at 6 in the morning. It was something that was really hard for me. And then afterwards, once I got my transfusion, my energy levels went up, my color came back, and for once I kind of gained my complexion back. And it was something that kind of relieved a lot of stress for me. And with that being said, United Blood Services, the people that we donate blood to, is a company that their price fluctuates depending on how much blood they have in their bank. So with that being said, when you donate blood, I'm able to make getting a blood transfusion more affordable. And that's really important to me and my family so that we don't have to pay an outrageous price. Please, Poston Butte, keep donating so people like me can get the blood that they need to survive. Thank you.
we come together to save lives.
Want to develop skills that can make you successful in business? Join FBLA by picking an application up in room A146. My name is Elias, and this has been your morning announcements. All right.